Hello everybody, this is Yogesh Raj. Welcome to my channel CBSE courses. So as we know that English grammar is very important these days, and CBSE is also focusing on grammar nowadays, as we all know. So now, so now, I will give you some topics whole things about some topics or grammar. Okay, so today I have come with a topic which name is verb, and I have prepared a whole family chart for the verb. So now today I will explain this chart. See, whole definitions are there, classifications, and about verb, and here is the topic. So let's begin. So the topic of our topic is verb definition and classification. In short, we can say that it is total verb family. Okay. So now, what is a verb? The word which are used to denote being, having, and doing an action in any form is called verb. Sorry. So there are four verbs, which is be verb, have verb, do verb, action verb. So in be verb, what is there? Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, and will. In a have verb, it is has, have, had. Do verb, do, does, did, and in action verb, it is eat, drink, sleep, play, etc. There are much more examples in action verb. So now let's come to classification. So first is principal verb. So principal verb has two types: transitive and intransitive verb. So and next finite verb is there, and next is non-finite verb. Non-finite verb has four types: gerund, participle, verbal noun, and infinitive. So now primary auxiliary verb is there. It has also two types: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So friends, now sorry. Now let's come to the definition. I will give you the definition of whole the types. So be ready with a pen and papers and write all these things, because it will help you till class 10. Okay, so write. First is principal verb. The verb which can express its meaning independently is called principal verb. The verb which can express its meaning independently. For example, I have a verb. So here have is expressing the verb or sentence independently, very clearly. So next is auxiliary verb. The verb which are used to help the main verb or to form voice, mood, tense is called auxiliary verb. Example: I am writing a pen. So here writing is the verb. Okay, and am is the auxiliary verb. So now transitive verb. Let's see. So transitive verb, a verb which takes object after it to complete its sense is called transitive verb. Example: he eats rice. Sorry. Now intransitive verb, the verb which do not take object after it to complete its sense is called intransitive verb. Example: the horse ran fast. Let's primary auxiliary verb. Now the auxiliary verb which are used in negative and in participle form are called primary auxiliary verb. Example: for example, do have losing. Next, modal auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb which are used to show ability, possibility, permission, and obligation are called modal auxiliary verb. For example, can, could, will, etc. Next is finite verb. The verb which are limited by person, number, verb, and tense is called finite verb. For example, I eat rice. Next is non-finite verb. The verb which are not limited by person, number, and tense are called finite non-finite verb. So you can see that non-finite verb is just opposite of finite verb. For example, reading is a good habit. Next is not next is Gerald. Gerald, the verb added with ing act as a number are called Gerald. Example: swimming is good exercise. Participle verb. When the verb is added with ing, ed, ell, t and act as an adjective are called participle. For example, we are in reading room. Okay. So next is verbal noun. When the verb is a mixed with the ing. Sorry for. So I am repeating verbal noun. When the verb is added with ing preceded by the l followed by of act as verb and noun are called verbal noun. For example, the singer of Arijit Singh impressed me. Infinitive. When a verb is preceded by to and soon action is called infinitive verb. For example, I want to go to America for studying. So the whole verb family is completed only in 6 months. So please tell me how you like our video. And if you have got the knowledge with my video, please subscribe my channel and please share my video so that all can get information. So thank you and stay safe from COVID-19.